Good morning. It's Monday, February 3rd. In a couple of days, NVIDIA will release their earnings. It's scheduled to be released on the 25th, that's Wednesday, after market close. Now, whether you follow NVIDIA or not, this is a stock that you would want to pay attention to because it can very much be a market mover. NVIDIA is really big. It's in the tech sector. They're heavy into AI. There's something that's really being watched right now. NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, still think of it as Google, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, all of the stocks that I've just referenced, plus a few more, are known to be big market movers. If they disappoint with their earnings, they will come down and they could very well bring the markets with them. Now, over the past year, NVIDIA has had a pretty good year. We started out at, let's call it 135, and we're at about 190 now. So that would be roughly a 50% gain in a year's period of time. Their PE ratio, most people would consider a little high. It's hanging out at around 47. So there would be some fuel to the fire if this started to drop. And they don't even need to miss earnings. They just need to not hit it and exceed it by too much. If I click on this little light bulb here, it will confirm to me when the earnings are coming out. There's a number of sources you could look to try and get some idea of what's expected for their earnings. One of the easiest ways to do that is to come to Earnings Whisper, and you can see that the consensus is an earnings of $1.52 a share. The Whisper number thinks it's going to come in slightly higher at 156. That may or may not happen. Even if it's at 156 or higher, we could still see the stock pull back if greater expectations, greater desires were built into the stock. But back to the chart, I'm looking at this as an indicator, an estimate of where the rest of the stock market might go over the short term. If we do get a negative and we see this pull back a little bit, that it will most likely bring the stock market with it. So something to watch out for. Good luck out there.